Hey everyone, welcome back to FourWheelsEmpire. Today, we're going to walk you through how to change the brake fluid in your car. This is an essential maintenance task that can help keep your braking system in top shape, ensuring your safety on the road. Let's get started. You should replace brake fluid every few years. And the best way to find out how often to change brake fluid is to follow your manufacturer's recommendations. Some manufacturers say you should replace your brake fluid every 2 years. Others recommend every 3 years or every 45,000 miles. Here's what you'll need for the job: a brake fluid that's compatible with your vehicle, a wrench or socket set for loosening the bleeder valves, a brake bleeder kit or clear tubing and a catch bottle, a jack and jack stands to lift the car, a turkey baster or syringe for removing old fluid from the reservoir, a pair of gloves and safety goggles to protect yourself, and finally, a rag or towel to clean up any spills. First, let's lift the car and secure it with jack stands. This will give us access to the brake bleeder valves on each wheel. Pop the hood and locate the brake fluid reservoir. It's usually on the driver's side, near the back of the engine bay. Before we start, check the fluid level to see how much needs to be replaced. Now, use a turkey baster or syringe to remove as much old fluid as possible from the reservoir. Be careful not to spill any on your car's paint, as brake fluid can damage it. Once the old fluid is out, fill the reservoir with fresh brake fluid. Make sure not to overfill it. Now it's time to bleed the brakes. Start with the wheel furthest from the master cylinder, usually the passenger rear wheel. Attach the brake bleeder kit or tubing to the bleeder valve, and then loosen the valve with your wrench. Have a friend press the brake pedal slowly while you watch the fluid drain into the bottle. Keep an eye out for air bubbles. Once the fluid runs clear and bubble-free, tighten the bleeder valve and move on to the next wheel. Remember to keep an eye on the brake fluid reservoir and top it off as needed during the bleeding process. You don't want it to run dry, or you'll have to start over. After bleeding all 4 wheels, check the fluid level one last time and make sure the bleeder valves are all securely tightened. And that's it. You've successfully changed your brake fluid. Changing your brake fluid is a great way to ensure your car's braking system remains responsive and reliable. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.